What's going on, guys? This is a 2025 Denago Nomad, but it will be the same for all the Rover models as well. If yours is somehow set on kilometers per hour and you don't want it to be that, just take your finger and press and hold where it says kilometers per hour. Hold it for about 6 or 7 seconds and it should change for you. So let's do that. Press and hold. 4, 5, 6, and there you go, miles per hour. Bada bing, bada boom, done. We got plenty of other videos about Denago carts and Club Car and Easy Go and other models, so check out our channel. Look for the playlist thumbnail to pop up at the end of this video that will send you to other playlists of similar types. And if our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button. It's a donation button underneath the video screen. Shoot us a donation. We really appreciate it. We're in Woodstock, Georgia, Golf Cars of Woodstock, about a half hour north of Atlanta. You'll see our social media links in the description. Have a great day. We'll see you later.